Naihati Baroma Mondia. Firstly, take a local train from Sealdah to Naihati. Be ready when Kakinara station appeared. It takes around 45 to 50 minutes. Get off from the train at Naihati station. From station walking distance 5 minutes.